Hi, this is Cam with White Top Adventures, and today we're going to be installing our light bar onto one of our newer roof racks. This is the ProMaster. This roof rack utilizes a crossbar as a mount for the light bar and a cutout from the front fairing to allow the light bar to kind of protrude and sit in that low slung spot with a better, cleaner look for the front of the roof rack. This is also shared in the design for our Transit roof rack. It's the same style design with with a crossbar as the mount and base for the light bar. So let's get into it. We're going to utilize Baja Designs included brackets, and with those brackets are right here. So Baja Designs comes with their light bar. This is the Onyx 6 in 50-inch, and we'll show you how this goes in. So with our rack, you'll receive these little sliders, and they're tapped for an M8 right here. So you can use your 8mm bolt to go through whatever it is that you need to attach your light bar to this crossbar. So we're going to thread that on here. When using only a thin piece of metal, this is an M8 by 12 that we're using here. If you're using a thicker piece of metal, that M8 by 12 could become an M8 by 15 or an M8 by 16, depending on what your need is. But for us, this is an M8 by 12. We're going to go into the side here. I'm just going to slide it in. Actually, the front one's better. There you go. So we'll slide in by the front, and we'll do the exact same on the other side. So M8 by 12, washer, bracket. Make sure the V is down, and this little line right there, that section is up, because that's what the track is going to align with. So we'll put that in a couple turns. I'm going to come in from the side here on that front rail. Slide it in and rotate. Okay. So loosely in, it doesn't need to be tight, but it needs to be a few turns so it's not going to pop off. So that's good. Same on this side, a few turns. So it's not going to pop off, but it can move. You want to be able to slide it side to side. Okay. Now we're using the factory hardware that came with our Onyx 6 from Baja Designs, and that's going to use the short one in the front, right here, and the larger one in the back. Put that in. There we go, and a larger one in the back. Now we do the same on the other side. Just kind of put it in place. Smaller one up front. There we go. Always put these in with your finger first, so you make sure you don't cross-thread anything. If you can twist it with your finger, then you're not cross-threading it. If you're twisting in with a tool, well, there's a good chance you could be cross-threading it. So we're going to adjust the angle of this to kind of figure out where we want it. Probably pretty straight to true, right there. So we'll go tighten this down. And there's one side. The other side, same thing, same location, lots of turns. Okay, now I can go do the front ones. Slide it over this way, I'll get room. Go to that front one. There we go. Slide it over. Do the other side. Okay. Now that it's tight there, I can center this on the rack. Find exactly where the center is. Let's say right about there. Okay. Now that it's centered, swap this out. With our M8s, we're using 6mm Allens. Oh, sorry. With our mates, we're using 5mm Allens. With our mates, we're using 5mm Allens. So we're gonna get in here and just snug these down. Now that the light bar is centered. There you go. Perfect. So that is the installation process for our newer roof racks. Oh, it's easier to install on the ground before bringing it up. So we installed this in the office. Brought it up to put in place right there. Okay. That's it. Back one. That's it. Now that you got the light bar in, you got the front fairing on, you can go back, adjust everything, and tighten everything down. We'll start with tightening down the X braces, and then we'll come back, tighten everything else down, and button it up, and we'll be done with this rack.